Yeah, that's funny.
Leave this on.
Okay.
That stays on.
Yeah.
You can next take.
How do I take these off? Just these?
First, take this all off.
Okay,
to
so
loosen this pressure.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. That comes around here.
Perfect. Yeah.
You want to keep. We might as well keep this line. It's probably brand spanking new.
Keep it all on there. Yeah.
Yeah. And then once this is off,
okay,
this will be loose, and then you just these 4 bolts.
Is it 4 bolts here? Okay.
It might be a little. You have to
That's fine. What about this? Like the big center one?
Yeah, the big center
Not
one.
the 4 ones?
Oh, no, those ones come off as well.
Okay.
And then.
Okay. And then I can further. Perfect.
But this part stays on.
Sounds good.
And then.
I'll probably consult with you after that.
Yeah.
I'll work on that. Oh, you got it. Thank you. Good thing you're around.
I know. Well, you would have got it too. Wow.
How do you attach one of those?
We have special, just like a pair of pliers. Crimp.
Oh, okay.
Like,
I see. And that's the proper way of doing it?
Well, it's the badass way, proper, yeah.
Because it's
permanent. It doesn't leak.
Well, that's cool. So
And,
that's how we're going to do it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We're just going to leave all this up together for the moment. We're not going to take that off yet. But then we can get you, a can of engine degreaser, and you can spray it all down, scrub all the greasy stuff away.
Okay.
Clean it all up.
Don't need to take any of that off?
No, leave that. That goes to the engine. We'll have to go get some rags, probably a pair of socks cut in half, fit into these really nicely.
Okay.
They ball up the little balls. You gotta vacuum up the one little nasty nest over on the other side.
I'll just vacuum them all. Yeah.
Yeah. And
Okay.
then
Do a nice
after
vacuum.
that, you can spray it and wash it all down, and then start sanding it and cleaning it for recoating.
Okay, so now with this, I spray it over everything.
Spray it over everything, especially all the greasy parts.
Okay.
Down by here, this down here. Must be an oil leak or some kind down here. I'll have to investigate.
Ooh. I stand back, I see.
Now stand back, spray around.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oof. All along here and everything?
Yeah, all that dirty shit up there too.
And all in here?
Dirty.
All over here?
Yeah, you could.
No?
It's not really as dirty and greasy. This is up here. More in there. I'd spray in there a whole bunch.
Okay.
We have tons of this stuff, so don't be shy. There you go. Spray up your transmission.
Okay. Question for you.
Okay. Shoot.
Over here, there's a pipe.
Das pipe.
Do I get a new one, or do I have to clean all this crud out?
What kind of threads in there? Oh.
Yeah. Clean the crud out? I could easily do that with a...
Well, I didn't like the of that either, so we'll just put a new water pump on it to make sure.
This is a water pump?
That's a water pump.
So, can I take it off then?
Yeah, if you take it off, we'll have to keep it
This?
to make sure we match it up. Yeah, that, and then here and here.
Okay.
And keep those bolts in the same location, because we'll have to make sure we know where that is. And keep this, because we want to make sure we match it up to the correct one.
Well,
And we've got to keep the plug out of it.
it'll just come with it. Okay.
No, it won't come with the plug, I guarantee it.
All right. How does it come off?
Oh.
I just pull?
Oh, no. It's just glued on there.
Special tool. There's always a special tool. Always a special tool. Always. Corey always has a special tool. So he's just going to go get it. He's just going to go to the shop. He's going to open up some sort of drawer. And he's just going to find it. He's going to be like, yeah, didn't you know? It's just this tool. Totally easy. Whatever. It's okay. I will continue scrubbing while he finds his special tool. I like your special tool.
Yeah, what did you think it was going to be?
I didn't know. You often have crazy special tools that you're just like, yeah, whatever, I got crazy special tool, here it is.